Hi guys, thank you for stopping by on my channel Kiga. Today I'm going to be doing a product review. The name of the product is KERASTASE Fluidissime Anti-Frizz Care, and also be demoing as to what's the best way to apply this product. It's a heat protectant, it's a shine enhancer, a shine booster for our tresses, as well as an anti-frizz kind of a treatment. So I'm talking about the KERASTASE Fluidissime Anti-Frizz Care. So this is more like a spray. I use it occasionally, not in my routine, primarily for two reasons. When I feel my hair are feeling kind of more frizzy during those days, for example in the winter months, I feel they need more of this, so I utilize this a lot. And also on days when I need to style my hair, so I need to use heat. So because this is also a heat protectant, so I use this as the first layer and then use heat to style my hair. So this is how I like to use it. It's actually very simple. After shampooing my hair, when my hair are still kind of damp, they're not completely dried, I just hold this bottle and spray it evenly on my mid-lengths and tips. So I keep the bottle like 2 inches away from the hair, so that way I feel like it spreads more evenly. And after that I just comb my hair, detangle them and let them dry naturally. Depending upon your need, you may want to use a blow dryer or may want to style them with your straightener or curling iron, as you prefer. So the main thing I like about this anti-frizz hairspray is how it smells. It's just like heavenly. I really like how that smell stays in my hair like all day long.